everyone, Belle here, and today I bought a lot of stuff, new stuff. So yeah, oops. Let's just hurry up. So yeah, first I bought this Sculpey white clay. Then I bought this pink clay. So yeah, these two. Okay, then the next thing I bought was this Bear's Holiday thing. So yeah, this one. And then I bought this sticker flakes. My only Rilakkuma sticker flakes. So yeah, these designs. And then I bought this stamp set. Stamp set. Yeah. So this stamp set. And then I also bought this my Rilakkuma notebook. The pages have this design, so yeah. And then I also bought oops. What is this thing? I also bought this Chocopa puffy sticker. Then I also bought I'll just hold my phone. I also bought this Rilakkuma egg series air sticker. This Rilakkuma air sticker. This Bev series Rilakkuma air sticker. So yeah, that's all from my haul. A lot of stuff. So bye.